Catastrophic bleeding kits include everything you need to deal with a serious bleed. The kits themselves come in different sizes. We have small kits, medium and large kits. If you're working maybe as a tree surgeon, you're going to need a kit that you can potentially take up a tree. So the smaller kits are quite good because they can just fit on your belt, onto the harnesses you're wearing. And if you did have a serious bleed, you can get into it very, very quickly because time is so important. The medium-sized kits are very good for a larger environment. So maybe if there's a few of you working in one location, or if you just want to put it into a car or van. Also, there's large kits, and these could be dealing with larger scale emergencies, maybe a terrorist attack, or if you're working a lot of people in a single area. There are other kits available, which is this type of kit, which is a vacuum packed kit, and you can literally just tear off the section you need, and you can take a tourniquet out, or you can take dressings. So everything's in there, and it's all nice and straightforward to get hold of. So we're just going to have a quick look at some of the components in the medium kit. We have a pen. The pen's there so you can write the time directly onto the tourniquet. We have gloves, swabs to deal with smaller cuts. Also scissors, and because hypothermia can be a big problem, and we want to make sure that we don't get the patient going into hypothermia, we include in this a blanket to keep them warm. On the other side, we've got a tourniquet and also some hemostatic dressings, either as the powder format or as a gauze format. If you need any more information on the catastrophic bleeding kits, have a look at our online store. We've got the whole range of products there and you can buy them online.